In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect laptop to monitor wireless on Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Windows 11 has a native feature that allows you to wirelessly connect it to any TV or monitor that you have. So, to set this up, you will go into the settings of your Windows 11 PC or laptop. When you go into the settings, you will find the display category, and inside of display, you will see connect to a wireless display under multiple displays. So expand this option if needed, and then go to connect here. When you click connect, this menu will appear. You can also press the Windows button plus K to open it. This is known as Miracast. As long as you have a monitor or a TV that supports wireless connectivity, it is going to appear on the list immediately. So right when you open this menu, it is going to begin looking for nearby devices to pair with automatically. So while you wait, it is eventually going to appear on this list. So all that you have to do is choose it from here. It is either going to be listed as a TV or a standard monitor. Usually, you just have to make sure that both the TV and the monitor and the laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network, or you have to configure it by going over to the settings of that specific display. Sadly, for this video, I cannot cover how to set up Miracast on every single display type out there, but for most TVs and most standard monitors, as soon as you go into the Miracast menu and give it a few seconds or up to a minute, they are going to appear here on the list automatically, as long as they are in close proximity of your laptop and they have some form of connectivity activated. And then when you choose it from the list, your laptop's screen is going to be mirrored over. You can configure it however you prefer by going over into the display settings afterwards. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect laptop to monitor wireless Windows 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.